Class. Today we're going to do a vlog about how the sounds make us feel. I hope you enjoy.
Get started right now with our first sound, and you guys are going to tell me how it makes you feel. Let me connect. All right, here is our first sound, and I'll play it for a little bit and then I'll stop, and then you guys can raise your hands and I will call on you to tell me how it feels. All right, Cindy, tell me how it feels.
It feels so calming. I feel like I want to go to sleep because ocean sounds to me makes me feel so sleepy and relaxed.
Awesome. Let's see, Jessica.
The ocean, I like the ocean sound. It makes me feel like I'm relaxed, and when I'm at the beach, I feel calm and happy, and just it makes me want to like just be in the moment.
I love that. Miss Kalia.
It makes me it makes me very happy, relaxed. It soothes my mind. It makes me focus more. And what else? I just really like the soft noise, and it's just very relaxing and calm and like stuff like that.
Awesome, thank you. Miss Georgina.
It makes me feel happy.
I love that so much. Let's see, Victoria.
Well, it actually made me feel good. I feel like I was in the moment, like I'm sitting in the rocking chair in the ocean just by myself and just feeling the beauty of it.
Cool. Anyone else want to share how it made them feel? All right, we're gonna go to the next one. Let's see. Okay, let me see. Sorry. All right, here's our next one. Are you guys ready? Okay. All right, how does that make you feel? Yes, Victoria.
Nice.
Oh, Muckin. Yeah, you can go first.
Nice.
How does it make you feel?
Nice.
Nice. Oh, awesome. Yeah, that's great. Victoria?
It makes me like I'm at the zoo and I'm with my nieces and nephew. I'm just at the zoo and I felt like I was feeding, well, not actually feeding it, but just looking at it for a while.
Yeah. Let's see. Kalia.
Me personal, I think it reminds me of where I live, and it was kind of remind me of Old McDonald had a farm.
Old McDonald had a farm. That's a great one. Yeah, I like that. Cindy.
Actually reminds me of one of my loved ones who actually used to work at a farm.
That's very cool. That's awesome. I love that. Wonderful. Anyone else? What about you, Liliana? How did that make you feel?
Yes, it really mad.
It made you mad. You didn't like it?
A bit mad in my mom.
Yeah, no worries. That's great. I love that. Yeah, the sounds are going to be different for everyone. Thank you, Liliana.
Welcome.
All right, let's go to our next sound. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, here's a sound. All right. How does that make you feel? Yes, Cindy.
Makes me feel really sleepy. I feel like I should listen to those like background noises when I'm having trouble.
What noises did you notice?
No, I mean the cricket sounds make me feel like so sleepy because I have crickets in my neighborhood when it gets really summer on summer nights.
Totally. Yeah, definitely. Jessica.
The sound, it made me feel like I was like in the summer camp, like out camping and hearing the crickets at nighttime just around the fire pit.
That's a really good one. Let's see. Kalia.
Me, I thought about the rainforest and just them hopping around the rainforest.
Nice. That's awesome. Mukund.
It'll be very nice during the night time when we go to the hilly areas.
Awesome. Have you heard these kind of sounds in real life before?
Yes.
Oh, that's wonderful. I love that. Let's see, Miss Victoria.
Kind of like the same thing like what Jessica was saying, but I feel like I'm actually in the bonfire with my family or friends and just listening to them or seeing the fireflies at night.
Absolutely. That's wonderful. Awesome. We're going to go to our next sound. I love that. Here's our next sounds. I'm going to try a different one, actually. Let's see. Here we go. All right. Let's see how those made you feel. Cindy.
It reminded me of traffic. I don't know why, but I think, yeah. And I don't really like traffic because it makes me really mad when I want to go somewhere and I'm late because of traffic.
Totally. Yeah, absolutely. Mukund.
Yes. So traffic. It's a traffic noise. Nice. It's like when we are in India, no?
Oh, wow, that's awesome. It makes you remind you of India. I love that. Yeah, there is a lot of traffic there, isn't there?
Yes.
That's a great comparison. I love that. Let's see, Victoria.
It reminds me of, I'm trying to think, because when I'm at home, if I get bored, I go walks, like I'll go to stores. I walk to the stores close by or get something to eat. And it reminds me of when I'm doing that, like my errands or my routine.
Totally. Yeah. Fantastic. Kalia.
It reminds me of what did it remind me of? Oh, it reminded me of kind of like New York, where all the cars are going down the street and making loud noises and all that.
Very much like New York. Has anybody been to New York? Yeah, a few people. Yeah, it's very New York. I think I actually did pull up a New York one. That's awesome. Yes, Miss Jessica.
It reminds me of when I would go into San Francisco and visit for like day trips of all the traffic and the hustle and bustle.
Absolutely. That is definitely something to feel. I see, Georgina, you left a comment. How did that make you feel?
Yeah,
Say that again.
it made me feel scared.
Scared. Oh, yeah, definitely. It can be very overwhelming and scary to be around a lot of traffic. I agree. Yeah, good one. What about you, Terrence? How did it make you feel? Oh, you're muted.
I like it.
Oh, you like city sounds? Awesome. That's really cool. I like city. I definitely do at times like city sounds as well. I like that. Awesome. All right, let's go to our next sound. Let's see, which one do I want to pick?
Something musical.
Oh, we could do something musical. Yeah, we're gonna do sounds, more real life sounds right now. That's what we're gonna do. And then, yeah, we'll see where it goes from there. All right, here is our next, here is our next sound. Let's see.
Seamray, energy efficient tilt and turn windows. A European classic made in America.
All right. How did that make you feel, Cindy?
It really reminded me of a bicycle tire. I don't know why, but it really reminds me of my dad who really likes biking.
Interesting. I will let you guys know what it is after. Because yeah, it's not a sound we might hear all the time. Yes, Victoria.
I just feel like I said when either my uncles or my cousins or my friends are working in the shop, in the mechanic shops.
That's a great one.
Yes.
How did that feel for you?
What sound? I don't know what sound it is.
Did it make you feel anyway? I will tell you guys after, I promise. Yes, Kalia.
I like about fireworks.
Oh, yes, we'll definitely do that. Leah.
To me, it kind of like a little confusing.
Confusing. That makes confusing.
I don't mean to laugh, but that one was kind of like, that was a little kind of confusing for me. I'm like, wait a minute, what's that noise?
That's great. Yeah. So this was actually supposed to be the sound.
Sorry, I didn't mean to laugh, but that was kind of fun.
No,
That
that's
was a little kind of like,
I wanted your reactions, your honest reaction. So that was the sound of electricity.
that's how it made me feel, because I couldn't think of a word besides that. I'm like, okay, I gotta laugh about something. And that's what it reminded me of, something
Totally
funny to laugh about.
Yep. So it was electricity, which was very interesting. Yeah, I thought that would be a cool one. All right, let's go to our next one. Let's see. Here we go. Let's see. Jessica.
Very nice.
That reminds me when, like, every year I would go up Trino with my family, and we would be up there for the 4th of July and watch the fireworks.
They're asking about 4th of July.
That's awesome. Yeah, definitely 4th of July. That's a great one. Yeah, Mukund.
Nice.
You like
Sound here is the fireworks during my Indian festival called Deepavali.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. I love that so much. Yeah, that would be great. A great topic for you to talk about in your vlog, kind of what what India reminds you of or things about India, because we don't have a lot of knowledge of that. And that'd be a cool thing to share.
Yes.
Awesome. Miss Georgina, what did you say about the fire?
It made me feel sad.
Why did it make you feel sad?
I don't like fireworks.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, not everyone likes fireworks. That's very, very true. Thank you for sharing. Let's see. Cindy.
I love the fireworks because it really reminds me of Korea, because my birthday in Korea is actually a national holiday, and I think they do fireworks on my actual birthday. Because in Korea, my actual birthday is actually a holiday, national holiday, and I think they do fireworks. So it really reminds me of Korea.
That's awesome. I love that so much. Very cool. Yes, Victoria.
Actually reminds me of New Year's, like right after the ball hits. It just reminds me of New Year's. And that's when the fireworks goes off.
Very much New Year's. I agree. Yeah. Kalia.
Okay, that one remind me of it remind me of when I was in San Francisco with my cousins. We got to see the fireworks, and I know it was a little intense for me because I'm not used to a lot of noises. So I did watch them, but I did plug my ears because of the lot of like big noises and stuff. And yeah.
Absolutely. That is totally fair. Yeah. Thank you for sharing. Terrence, what did you mention? What does it make you think of? Oh, I can't hear you. You're muted.
I put in the chat for you.
Yeah. Do you want to tell us? Because we can't see the chat in the vlog. So do you want to tell us what it reminds you of?
There's some folk songs.
Folk songs. Cool. That's very interesting. That's a new one. I like that. Thank you, Terrence. All right. Let's go to our next sound. Let's see. All right. Here is one I think we can get. I don't know if you guys will know it, but we'll see.
My goal of developing a recipe at Blue Apron is to deliver the most amount of flavor in the least amount.
All right. This is a very quiet one. Yes, Cindy.
Is it the sound of the heartbeat? Because it really reminds me of heartbeat a lot.
Very close.
Professor, I didn't hear it.
Yeah, no worries. It was very quiet. So that was actually the sound of underwater. What did you think it was, Victoria?
I was right. I was so, because at first I thought it was a wind, but I'm like, no. You go hear the wind. I was like, wait a minute, it sounds like a water, like you go see an aquarium, you know?
Exactly.
And And then I do go see aquarium, which is really nice and really cool.
Awesome. I love that. Yeah, I wanted to try something different, give you a calmer sound. Yes, Khalid.
For me, what I was gonna say. Okay, I do remember hearing the water noise and what else? Seeing like fishes go by with the water and sharks and other things I can't think of at the moment. And yeah.
Nice. Yeah, absolutely. I agree. Yeah, that's a great one. Awesome. All right, guys. I want us to keep going because I'm excited about these, and then we'll get into the guessing sound game. Are you guys ready for that one too? That one's gonna be fun. All right, here's a couple more. All right. Let's see. Liliana, how did that one make you feel?
Maybe sleepy.
Sleepy. Oh, interesting. I like that. That's a great one. Cool. Jessica.
It reminded me of being outside, going on a walk or on a hike, and just hearing the birds chirping.
Yeah, I do like that. Very relaxing. Yeah, I love hearing the birds chirping. Let's see. Cindy.
It really reminds me of my backyard because since I like to garden, I keep hearing the birds. So it really reminds me of my backyard. So in fact, I used to have a bird feeder until coyotes came and messed it all up.
Wow. Oh my. That's very unfortunate. Khalid?
For me, it reminds me of sort of the ocean, sort of a rainforest, and I heard some birds in the background. If I remember when I was closing my eyes earlier.
Yeah, there was definitely birds. Yeah, absolutely. Great, Kalia. Yes, Victoria.
Reminds me like that I just want to be in the meadow, just listening to the birds and just being around nature because I love nature and I like to be in the meadow, just being relaxation right there.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's definitely a great one. Yeah, awesome. All right, we are going to go to the next sound. Here we go. Oh, after
So let's say you have to read an incredibly long email from your boss that you have to finish before the big meeting.
I know, Mukund, you mentioned how did that make you feel?
Nice.
Oh, nice. You liked it?
Yes.
Oh, awesome. What about you, Cindy?
It really reminds me of rain. Like it actually reminds me of Korea. Like one time when I went to Korea, it rained to the point where even watermelons got spoiled.
Oh
But,
no,
yeah.
I love watermelons. That's terrible. Wow. Yeah, that's interesting. Yes, Victoria.
It reminds me like I'm at home and I'm watching TV and just in my little in my little bed and my blankets. Just I like rain when it's like if I'm not outside but I'm just at home just listening or reading my book. Nice and cozy.
Absolutely. Yeah, I totally feel that too. Yeah, cozy kind of vibes. Kalia.
Me, from my point of view, I would think it kind of reminds me of the waves, water, and just hearing like waves and ocean and a little bit of wind and just hearing the ocean and like the echoes of the ocean.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah.
Very interesting. Yeah, great observation. All right. I want us to do maybe like two more and then we'll go to the guessing game. Let's see. See our next one. Okay, let's see. Here's our next one.
If you only list your vacation home on Airbnb, you might attract someone looking for
Try a different one. I don't like this one. Hold on. Oh, here we go. All right.
That's a train.
What was it?
There's a train.
Plane,
Very
aeroplane.
close. Airplane. It was an airplane. Yes, Cindy.
It really reminds me of airplanes because I really do love to fly.
Oh, that's great. I'm glad that you like to fly. Kalia.
Mine thought of that one was it sounded like an airplane and it seemed like it was going in the clouds. And I think I was watching a movie when I was pretending I was in the airplane and and I was just seeing the clouds go by, and what else? Just seeing like the sky and the wind and the earth and all around the world and stuff like that.
Wow, that's really cool. That's very imaginative, Kalia. I like that. Victoria.
Reminds me when because I used to before I used to take a plane to go to Utah because I have family over there, and me, my dad, and my sister, we used to go there like either holidays or summer, and I kind of miss it actually.
Wow, that's a great memory. I love that. Jessica.
It reminds me like when I'm like flying to visit my aunt or whatever, and like it reminds me of like a plane coming in for a landing.
Yeah, totally. Definitely does. Absolutely. You're correct. It is a plane coming in for a landing. Awesome. All right. So I actually want to get to our guessing game because I want to make sure we have enough time. So I'm going to play sounds. This is a quick speed. I'm going to play sounds. You guys are going to raise your hand. And then each person is going to hopefully get a turn. I'll try to make sure everyone gets at least one turn to guess something. Okay. So once you know, you can raise your hand and then I will pick on you until somebody gets it right. Sound good? All right, here we go. Let me push play. Okay, here's the first sound. Oh, hold on. They don't do it right. Hold on. There. Okay. Okay. All right. What was the sound? Yes, Cindy.
Was it bowling?
It was bowling. Yes, good job. All right. We are going to go on to the next one. I'll play it again. All right, hold on. We're gonna raise our hands. Okay, Victoria. Oh, wait, let's Liliana. Actually, sound was that Liliana?
Yes, the bathroom.
You're the bathroom. Woohoo! Yes, you got it right. Good job. All right, good job. That was fantastic. You guys are doing this is a breeze for you. Okay, here's the next one.
Oh.
All right. Okay, who can tell me what this sound is? Yes, Jessica.
It's an owl.
It is an owl. Good job. Fantastic. Woohoo. You guys are doing great at this. All right, here's our next one. Oh, okay. What was that sound? Yeah, Mukund.
What sound is this? I didn't guess what sound is that.
Oh, well, we're going to have them guess then. Let's see. Kalia. Yes, what sound do you think it is?
Paper.
Nope, it's not paper. Georgina, what sound did you think it was?
A mouse.
A mouse? Nope, it wasn't a mouse. Liliana?
It's pen.
A pen. Oh my gosh. Yes, you got it right. Dang. Very impressive. Good job, guys. All right, the next one. I'm gonna rewind just a tad here. Okay, here's our next one.
Glass.
Here it is again.
Glass breaking.
Oh, glass breaking. Can you, yes. I mean, technically it is. Yes. So it's glass. They said technically it's a plate breaking, but yeah, that was good. Good ear. Great job. All right. We're going to go to our next one. Here we go. Here it is again. All right. Yes, Terrence.
There's a vacuum.
It is a vacuum. Yes. Good job. Fantastic. Oh man, you guys are really good. You have really good ears. Okay, here's your next one. Okay. What do we think it is? Yes, Victoria.
It's a chicken.
It's a chicken. Yes. Technically a hen, but I guess a hen is, well, yeah, because there's hens and roosters, but they're both chickens, right? Am I right? I don't, yes. Okay. Yes. All right. Fantastic. Okay, here's our next one. Okay. Oh, sorry, I'm clicking the wrong button. Let's see. Cindy.
Was it hand washing?
Yes, but what is that specifically that's running?
Oh, water running.
Or the sink. Yeah, well, it's the sink. Yeah. Close though. That, yes, good enough. Yes, I will take that as an answer. Good job, Cindy. Okay, here's our next one. Here it is again.
It's a clock.
Oh, Terrence says it's a clock. You are correct. Of course, the clock expert knows this. Good job, Terrence. Fantastic. All right, here's our next one. One more time. Oh, sorry. Okay, what was that sound? Yes, Kalia.
It was like a, I want to say a duck, I think.
Yep, you're right.
All right.
Good job. Fantastic. All right, here we go. The next one.
Yeah.
Hold on. You're raising your hand. All right. Yes, Cindy, what do you think?
It was cutting paper. And by the way, look, we're almost out of time.
Yep, thanks for letting me know. All right, we'll do a couple more. Here's the next one. All right, what did you think that was? Yes, Jessica.
The wind.
The wind? No, it wasn't the wind. Victoria?
A plane.
A plane. 9. Yes, you are correct. Good job. Okay, let's do one more and then we'll wrap up. Okay, here's our last one. I'm going to skip this. Well, no, this is a challenging one. I'll let you guys guess it. Okay, that was a very challenging one. What do you think it is? Cindy.
Was it a pigeon?
Oh, yes, you got it. Oh my gosh. Impressive. Did you think that too, Kalia?
No, I was gonna say an owl.
Oh, yeah, we already had an owl. That's why I was like, it sounds very much like an owl, but it's definitely not an owl.
It almost sounded like I was almost close. It really did almost sound like it. I was really focusing on that one without trying to laugh that time.
Fantastic.
That's hard to do when you really want to laugh at the little things you hear.
Absolutely. All right, you guys did fantastic. Do you guys want to wrap it up and thank everyone for watching? You want to do it for us, Victoria?
Sure. I didn't know that.
Go for it.
Hi guys. Well, thanks for watching and thanks for playing with us with these games with the guess the sound and how does it feel with our with the sound. So I hope you enjoy it and thanks guys. See ya.
Tomorrow is my birthday.
Everyone wait, bye.
Tomorrow, Professor.
Oh, it's okay. This is just
Tomorrow is my birthday.
all right, you can stop recording, Anthony.
Professor, tomorrow is my birthday.